Mambo vipi guys, leo nataka kuonyesha jinsi ya kuconnect account yako ya Snippe na WooCommerce kupitia WordPress. So cha kufanya, download hiyo zip from GitHub. Baada ya hapo njoo kwenye poto yako huku, click hapa plugin, add plugin, and then baada ya hapo click upload plugin, and then nenda kachagua ile plugin ambayo umeidownload kutoka GitHub yetu, and then open hapa, itakwambia install, just click install. So baada ya click install, the next thing you need to do, itakwambia activate plugin, so just click activate the plugin. Yeah, so after a few seconds utaiona plugin imeappear kwenye your plugin. Kwa utaona hapo kuna Snippe payment for WooCommerce. So the next thing you need to do, just go to payment section. Kwenye payment section utaona hapa kuna Snippe imeongezeka, just enable it. Ukienable hapo, click manage. And then after that, cha kufanya itoe to your live test, and then you need a live key from Snippe. Just go to Snippe dashboard now, nenda kwenye developer, nenda kwenye sehemu ya API key. Baada hapo uta click generate API key, so chagua create and read. Baada hapo you can just choose give it a name, let's say WP key, yeah, maybe WP key, and then baada hapo you can choose expire date, create key. Yeah, so I'm going to delete this after this session, lakini copy key yako hapo, you're very very secure, kwa sababu mtu akiona key yako anaweza kufanya miamala on your behalf. So cha kufanya hapa, nenda ka copy pia webhook secret ili ku avoid webhook spoofing. So nenda ka paste kwenye webhook secret same, afu chagua mtu achague mwenyewe atakalipi kwa njia gani. Baada hapo just save your integration. You're almost done. So the next thing you need to do now, just go to your site ambao ya WooCommerce. Kwa mfano hapa, if I go to my site here, naona kabisa hapa na bidhaa zangu ziko hapa. I can try to click one of them. Baada hapo I can just click add to cart, and then I can just view cart. Nikiview cart inaambia proceed to checkout, so I can click view proceed to checkout. After that, you're going to give me a form to fill my details hapa. Kwa mfano I'm choose kama maybe Tanzania, just basic information, you know. So I'm going to put my information hapa, my phone number, and then after that I'm going to see Snippe, chagua how to pay, if you choose mobile money, QR code, or credit card. So I'm going to choose credit card. So if I click pay, automatically it's going to take me to a payment page to enter my credentials, and then once I'm doing that, I'm done. So mpaka hapo ushamaliza procedure zote. Karibu sana.